Man from Spanish Town reported missing. We'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 23-year-old Travis McBean of Miller Lane, Macook Spanish Town, St. Catherine, has been missing since Thursday, February 20. He's of brown complexion, stout built, and about 177 centimeters, or 5 feet 10 inches tall. Reports from the Spanish Town police are that McBean was last seen at home wearing a blue jeans pants and a pair of slippers. He has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Travis McBean is being asked to contact the Spanish Town police at 876-984-2305, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.